Yes, Shivansh. Why is the answer in the first one 9? Why is it 1 in the second figure? And after validation, after telling that why, you tell what will be the answer here. Anik.
So, ma'am, in the first one, the reason it is 9 is
Hmm.
because the lines like cross each other, they intersect each other 9 at 9 points. Okay,
Very good.
and the lines
Let this
intersect each
count.
other in the second one time. So,
Excellent. Hmm.
because the lines intersect each other at 6 points in this, the answer will be 6.
6. Very good. Very good. The answer over here will be 6.